So hey guys, in this tutorial we'll understand what this problem says and the solution for this problem. Uh, it's 1299 problem of LeetCode. It says that replace elements with the greatest element on right side. Okay, so by the name it suggests that we need to replace the elements which is greater on the right side. Okay, so in this basically we'll start from end because it gives an efficient solution. Okay, so we'll start from end, and it should be noted that the last element from which we will start is always 1. Okay, so this would always be 1. This should be noted that. Okay, and now we will compare this with the next element. Okay, so the next element is 1, so 1 is obviously greater, so we will put here. Okay, now we'll compare 1 with the next element which is 6, so obviously 6 is greater, so 6 would be stored here. Okay, so after that we'll compare 4 and 6, obviously 6 is greater, so we'll put 6. Again we'll compare 6 and 5, obviously 6 is greater, so we'll put 6. Okay, after that comes 18. 18 is greater than 6, so the element which would add it is be 18. Okay, we will not consider 17 because we have started from -1. Okay, so we'll not consider 17 in this problem. Okay, so we it should be noted that the first element, the last element from which we will start, should always be -1. Okay, so next we'll see the next example. Yeah, so yeah, as I told you that the last element or the first element would always be -1, so that's the reason here it is -1. Okay, so let's see how would we solve this. So as said that the last element will always be -1, so we will take int equals to -1. Later on we'll update this max element, which would be the maximum element we have encountered from right. Okay, so I'll start from the last element. As I told you, we'll iterate from the last element and we'll see. Okay, so int equals to I equals to array dot length -1. I is greater than equals to 0 and I minus minus. Okay, so the first thing what I'll do is I'll take temporary int equals to array of I. The current array of I would be stored in this. Okay, now what I'll do is max equals to the array of I. And what I'll do is array of I would be stored with max. Okay, so the -1 would be stored in array of I. And what I'll do, how I'll find the max. So max equals to math dot max, the temp and the maximum element. So this will calculate the maximum element from which we have encountered yet. Okay, and after that we'll return max. No, we have to return the array, right? So we'll return array. Let's check if it's working fine. Yeah, it's working fine, right? So what we did in this, basically I had taken one integer max equals to -1, and I iterated from the last element to the first element. Okay, and basically incremented or basically changed the max element in that particular array, and have added that array into the array. Okay, let's submit it. Yeah, we are getting right answer. Okay, so this problem will basically take O of n as the time complexity and O of 1 as the space complexity. Okay, so thank you for watching.